Today, I have a story of my close friend who traveled to Kedar when he was 8 years old. And here is what he narrated me. I remember very little, but I will try to share my journey from a long time ago with my relatives, starting with my paternal and maternal grandparents, my beloved sister, and the pillars of my life, my parents. Embarked on a profound adventure, we reached a pivotal moment where the trail transformed into one of the most challenging and difficult track journeys. Khachars, the popular horses, were our trusted companions for me, my sister, and both sets of grandparents. Initially, my parents decided to walk on foot, but later joined us on horses. Now, let me unfold the tale of my horseback journey. In the crisp cold air, I struggled to stay awake. Beside me, my sister and the horse handler urged me or warned me not to sleep, saying that it might make the horse jump off the hill. I don't find logic in that particular statement till now, but I think it was said to make me alert and engaged during the journey. As our journey proceeded, we dealt with small rocks, mud, and silt. I cheered my grandfather's horse from the front. As soon as we reached the temple, my grandmother suggested us to do darshana. We all revisited the ritual when other family members joined us. A mysterious euphoria enveloped me, coupled with happiness and curiosity. I asked my mother and grandmother if there was snow on the front mountain. They replied, not much, as it was summer. My guiding star, Papa, in devotion to Lord Shiva, recited sacred verses. We saw a giant stone protecting the temple from behind. A playful ambience surrounded me. At that age, spirituality was a distant concept. Yet I reveled in the joy of moment. These memories, though few, remain vivid. The trip which I told you occurred almost 10 years back from now, in 2013 or 2014, somewhere in between, making me around 8 to 9 years old.